Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. And viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install PVSyst software, photovoltaic software, solar system application for your PC, Windows, Mac or other operating system. In this video I will show you how to download and install it. Okay, open browser and search here PVSyst and open this website that is named pvsyst.com and logical photovoltaic and accept all the cookies and open the website. The news and latest version is available 7.3 and you can check out all the tutorials here for your PVSyst software, and everything is available here. You can read out, learn out all the overview and tutorial at this channel. Okay, you can check out here. Okay, and if you want to learn video presentation, you can check out here. And this is the video presentation of all the information of software. Okay, and on the other hand, want to download PVSyst, the latest version is 7.3. click here and we are going to click here. So installation requirement, you can check out the installation requirement here. Require computer configuration, operating system and everything is available here, and you can check out the release notes, change log or previous versions of the software here. Okay, all the software and capabilities and enhancements of the new features available here. Okay, the variants. Okay, and free trial with full feature latest version. Okay, you can download here, and older version you want to download can click here. Okay, everything is I have shown in this video. Okay, download PVSyst 7.3 latest version and click here. You can check out the 234 MB setup of PVSyst polyvoltaic PVSyst that is 234 MB setup has been started to be downloaded, and we will install it after the completion of download into our PC in this way. And the version is latest, and that is 7.3.1.29 120, and it is full trial, 1 month trial, full feature available for. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.